Struggling to connect YouTube to Whop? Learn the exact steps to link them in under 2 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through 7 simple steps to connect your YouTube account to Whop. Let's get started. First, log in to your Whop account. Then, click your profile icon in the top right corner. Now, go to Settings from the drop-down menu. In Settings, click on Connected Accounts. Then, click on Add to start linking a new account. You'll see another Add button. Click that as well. Finally, follow the prompts and authorize the connection to complete the setup. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.